what is the solution xy to the system of equations? Let me copy one more time our equations. We have 3y minus x is equal negative 17 and 5x plus 6y is equal negative 13. Two equations, two unknowns. So first what I will do, because in the first equation first we have y next x, I will put in order. First I will write negative x and next positive 3y. So we have negative x plus 3y, this is equal negative 17, and the second equation we will rewrite. What next? I will use here addition subtraction methods to solve this system of equations. So now I will multiply first equation by negative 2. So negative 2 times negative x is 2x. Negative 2 times positive 3y, so it will be negative 6y is equal. Negative 2 times negative 17, so it will be positive 34. And now the second equation I will copy. And we see when we add both sides, we will have 2x plus 5x, and we have negative 6y and positive 6y, so we can reduce. This is equal 34 minus 13. So 2x plus 5x is 7x. This is equal 34 minus 13. So this is 21. Now I will divide both sides by 7. So 7 and 7 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we have first unknown, and now we will take one equation and substitute x by 3. For example, first 3y minus x is equal negative 17. So like I said, x we will substitute by 3 because we calculate x. So we have 3y minus 3 is equal negative 17. 3y is equal, I will move negative 3 to the right side, so it will be negative 17, negative, so now it will be positive plus 3. So we have 3y is equal negative 17 plus 3, so this is negative 14. I will divide both sides by 3. So 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that y is equal negative 14 over 3. So we found the solution to our system of equations is first coordinate is x and the second is negative 14 over 3. This is my solution.